York's only classic rock station, Q1043.
Look at this.
The house sang out to us at both Miami and Taormina where we had a honeymoon. Nicole said, let's buy it.
You just about smell the salt.
You mean the painting or the view?
Both.
That's called the Trump Pale Oil. Fooled the eye. It was done by an artist right over here in West Hempstead.
I'll be damned.
Follow me, Jerry. This little bitch is for you. It's a Whirlpool duet, top of the line. Same as mine. Nicole is head over heels with it.
It's above and beyond, Carmine.
Well, thank my father, too. May rest in peace. This is for Freeport. It's a token.
You know, it's my understanding, Carmine, that Johnny's still sore about that.
That's why I appreciate your support. I'm moved up here now. You and me are gonna do great things together.
Amen.
Daddy! Daddy! The boat is sinking! Carmine! My God!
I just sailed her from Miami 3 weeks ago. She was fine.
You should call the Coast Guard, Carmine.
Maserati. Gotta draw attention, no?
True. Friends of ours. Most of them probably wouldn't own it. It was always a dream of mine to own a fine Italian sports car.
I'll salute that. And in the Guinea Gray, it looks fantastic.
Tops out 176 miles per hour. Standing quarter, 13 and change.
How many horses?
390.
Well, let's set you back about,
99 and change.
you're spending like you're already on the throne.
Had a good year.
Oh, God bless.
Well, we're doing car talk here. Phil. I don't know, he won't let that thing go.
He owed me money and he was ducking me.
Look, I'm not saying you're wrong. Phil treats nickels like manhole covers. Believe me, I know. But the captains loyal to me need to know I stand behind them right now. Fucking little Carmine. This asshole's giving away washing machines. You believe that?
You don't have collision insurance, fucking Phil?
His son-in-law's a broker. They let it lapse, looking for a better rate.
Fucking idiot.
Tony, I ruled in your favor. The racetrack, the money Philly owed you.
Well, if I'm paying for it, we do it at Pushy's, or we don't do it at all. His wife's running a body shop now. So we can at least control expenses.
Thanks. Come on. Get in, take you for a ride. Fucking thing's so powerful. I had to take a lesson from the dealer last night.
Pretty low. How's Ginny like the car?
She loves it, but she hasn't driven with me yet. With her knees, she has a little trouble getting into the seat.
Oh. Oh.
Tony, hi.
Hey, Edge. How are you?
Good.
Listen, a friend of mine banked up his car pretty good, so I was thinking, you know, maybe help us both out and throw a little business your way.
You didn't need to come down. You just gotta phone me.
The thing is, I gotta pay for the repairs. Long story. I distracted him while he was driving. Anyway, the point being that anything you can do to keep costs in line would be a big help to me. Well, you look like you're doing pretty good since we had that phone call where, you know, you asked me, could you take over Puss's body shop?
Thank you for that, Tony. You didn't have to say yes with all the other kind of business you do through here.
Anyway, his name is Phil, and Carmela sends hello.
Please say hello.